Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your Ingenieron Choper. And today guys, I'm doing my first out of casa PMS because I am here at my friend's garage. As you can see guys, ako lang ang MG dito because my friend is a taxi operator and all of his units are Toyota. Sa way pagduha-duha guys, gisugda na o gikamang dayon ang makina kung naabay mga compatible nga mga piyesa sa ihang mga ginagamit. So after checking guys, it is found out nga dili pareha. So they had to bring the spare parts para ma-check dito sa supplier. By the way, this is the oil that we are going to use. So if you know this, please comment down below and tell me if this is a good quality oil. So while waiting for the oil filter, sinimula na yung other scope ng PMS, which is yung pag-check ng braking system. As you can see, brake drum yung likod ng unit ko. It has been proven and tested na ang brake shoe is tumatagal compared sa disc brake pads. Kailangan na talagang linisan. So far, so good pa naman tong part na to. And itong brake shoe, makapal pa sa mukha mo. Same on the other side, all goods tayo. Walang leak, kailangan lang talagang linisan. At the same time, part ng PMS is to check the spark plug. Kaya tinanggal na to see the actual condition, and ito siya, kailangan lang ng konting linis. So far, so good naman. So while waiting, heto ako, titirahin ko itong drum brakes kasi plano kong pinturahan siya ng black para mas emphasize yung rims. So ito yung sample ng finished product na ginawa ko. So far, so good. It looks neat and walang kalawang. And heto na, dumating na ang oil filter. Ang brand is AC Delco. So it is proven na meron ng available stock sa market. Now it's time to fill the engine with oil. So ito, Zik yung brand ng oil. Always remember that it is important to check the level of the oil. Walang labis, walang kulang, dapat sakto lang. And here we are with the spark plug. Kinorek yung clearance pagkatapos linisan. So far, so good naman. So no need palitan, kaya ibinalik na siya sa engine. Dito naman tayo sa air filters. No need palitan guys. Kailangan lang bugahan para matanggal yung mga likabok para gumanda ang airflow. Same procedure para sa aircon filter. Meron niya akong nakita dito sa taxi. Ito yung itsura ng air filter niya. Ito, kailangan na talagang palitan. Okay lang mag-recycle guys, but wag naman sana umabot ng ganito. Going back to our braking system, there are two ways to clean it guys. Ito, air compressor, and the other one is itong huhugasan siya ng tubig. Kung ako yung papipiliin, mas prefer ko itong second option. As you can see, same result. Malinis din itong binugahan lang ng hangin. Etong kabila na hinugasan, binubugahan din ng hangin para masigurado na walang moisture sa loob ng drum brake. Since tapos ng paglilinis, ito, ibinalik na yung cover. And for me, I like what I did with this one. What do you think guys? And of course, part ng procedure is to adjust the handbrake. Dito lang siya makikita guys. Kasi when we check the drum brakes, wala doon yung adjustment. Andito pala siya mismo sa loob, dito sa center console. Okay na. For the note guys, standard is 5 clicks, but for my preference, I made it 3 clicks. So that's it guys, tapos na tayo sa ating first out of casa PMS. By the way, here's the quality of the oil previously. Don't worry about the color guys, ang importante, hindi maubusan ng oil ang unit nyo. Asa ni Mark? Asa ni located Mark?
Another day.
Another Vios. The only MG in this service center. MRK Taxi. The best.
Thank you, thank you. The best, the best.